But Okyeame Kwame de me hu de oya boa we the artist.
Sing.
Oh, ni nua mkazo ntimi boa. On the me hu ne so on no kwan ne so we just have to focus on. Okyeame Kwame de me hu so boa artist be ono ne nua mkazo ntimi boa.
I'm sure once the ntimi nkasa me hodi.
Ntimi boa mo ntina. Ne pempanyfo no ma so mbo boa.
Enti be so just Okyeame Kwame more artist be organ.
Me hu bi kwa da. Ni nua folk store mkwa ne kunta mkwa me hu de oya omo.
Our mothers are still fighting. Not for they go to you to them a die. Rest in peace, don't want to shatter. Some day in the jihad, in the jihad. Rest in peace, me nigga Bojan. Them say police is one a friend. Now they intend to be our enemy. Them give her the gun, them try to wet we up. Them can't go do this in the Zongoli, in the Zongoli.
Nyame bo wiase no oma obi adoma chede so ati say nti say we talent a bompaye ne korre talent untimi bompaye so a media ne am strong Poleeno ade wetimi abesimi so no ma bompaye ama na wo hu adoma chede nyame ne yeden edema na wetimi de etumpon wo wiase. Subscribe to channel no ne follow Poleeno Multimedia or Instagram Poleeno_com Instagram page no send be anything we post there bia no oso benya bi. See this gentleman right here with me. I mean, very dope, talented artist. I mean, Minkasabe brain no aka say me did go assume. That's all mommy freestyle. Bro, drop the beat, let's go.
Me mama used to say, some friend them a be dangerous like a python. Some of them a go solely out, fi some blood clot like a penny. Stay far from them, Kipsie, you have to know. You have to work hard every day till your interest grow. You can't be a lazy man and call yourself a money maker. Fight life hard like undertaker. You have to bad, me tell you nobody bother. And you live in a go thinker. Mama, me love you from me at. Mama, me love you from me at. You don't know.
Mama, we love you from our heart. I mean, and you not to me. I don't know. Any I was there too. Oh, her story no can me the feeling them then.
You don't know. Mama used to say.
Yeah, Mama used to say some friends are bad. You need to fight for your life and stuff like that. You love Mama, right?
Really love my mom from my heart.
So why do you smoke? Or your mom told you to do so?
Who told you I smoke? I don't smoke.
So what do you do?
You know, I'm just a herbalist, you know.
You're a herbalist?
Yes, I love to, you know, deal with the herbs and things, but I don't really smoke.
Herbalist no, until obi yare e bi ana wa man edro na wa man herbs na.
Not that, but I feel like, you know, I should enter the bush. I just enter it, you know. The name is Kipsie Unruly, so I'm not.
Kipsie Unruly.
Yeah, man. So I'm not under any law, you know. Do anything I like, you know. Stay in my lane also. You know.
So, is your mom aware you can enter the bush anytime you want?
Not really. And you know, I'm grown enough to survive in this long trip, so just keep my head up and focus on the dream, you know.
So, due to this, you're going to vote for NPP because they're trying to push. I think the law normal pass, and now they are in the process of passing the law to legalize weed or herba.
Actually, me, I'm not interested in those political issues, you know, because the system itself doesn't care for any young child.
Okay.
Yeah, here for need to be any gusubre. You know, no one is willing to help. So,
explain deeper.
Ever since I was born, me who say the only thing the politicians can do is to somebody check dukone apron or trafficking. They are doing nothing. So, at the end of the day, we just pray to Jah. He alone can make we survive. We cannot believe what the leaders are saying. You know.
All right. I mean, we can't believe what the leaders are saying. I don't know. Maybe some leaders are also trying their best to, put good structures and systems so we can all follow and then achieve what we want. But back to business now. We are talking about music. We're talking about entertainment.
Yeah, man.
Why music?
Music is, it's bigger than how people think it is, you know. Because looking at how many artists in Ghana here and outside, or more taking music far, how music assess on their lives. And I mean, say, me having the talent, I have to put much effort in it. I know one day we can tell our story.
So when did you realize you can do music? Like you have the passion and talent for music?
From a little young, long time I started doing the music thing, but I used to write music down, but not need any recorded track.
Okay.
So just about 2011, I started. Somebody introduced me to one of the biggest engineers in Kumasi, Freddie Beat.
Okay, yeah, Freddie Beat. I know Freddie Beat.
Yeah, man. So he started polishing me, and we're still going.
That's amazing. That's amazing. Yeah. I know say munyina mo video no and you say ABI Candy the boy is very dope, very dope. Oh, freestyle no mine very dope. But before cry you be more details no. I mean me say Osama another freestyle. What I say way without mental. I mean now what where's ni na also way bro let's do this.
Some informer think we are go stray. We go upon we need some we pray. So for ration is other man no. Them a chase we like a bushmeat. What? Man of them a bombo hole. Them a go on like an anti-social. I fight them, I fight ghetto youth. Poor background with no root. Bombo clad them to biting. And all the gang we keep flying. Poor people are still crying. Our mothers are still fighting. Not for the ghetto youth, them a die. Rest in peace, don't want to shatter. Someday in a DJ yard, In a DJ yard, rest in peace, me nigga Bojan. Them dead.
And say, and I the raga boy, GH, about Poleeno Multimedia. When him saying, yeah, say, Obia, we are getting a lot of people on test here. We want to come on your show, want to come and prove our talent. Before Ababana, you requested for union. You see, we give you the platform. Now, wabe kandi obekana, wabe yedi obeyena, for side. If you are not good, we don't call you. Opa my 10,000 and we don't care. We aim to promote good stuff. What I say. And if you are good, we call you and then we bring you on the show. And so here, everything is on point. Intina Otiano. And Kenyan music, what will you have been doing?
I also want to be. I'm interested in writing movie script.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so I know one day that is after I'm done with everything.
No. Right after this interview, we're gonna talk like, hey, we're gonna talk like that. You feel me? You feel me? I mean, we'll find some what grow minutes. After interview, we have a
Okay.
Yeah, Poleeno Multimedia, Becassa, just say no way.
Okay.
So, and it says a lifestyle in like entertainment aspects.
Yes, I was born to entertain people. Already I'm an entertainer.
Do you school?
Okay, when I completed JHS, because school book Kumasi so which is National Vocational Technical Institute.
Okay.
But by that time, my mama couldn't help me, so I have to drop out from school. So I'm not interested in education all that much because I wasn't able to, further my education. So I know definitely music will pay.
But when you say Ghana, we have this mentality say, if you don't go to school and I say on your way, now or drop here, they see you to be a bad boy.
Not a bad boy, but one thing is, and depending on the strength, from you looking at my background, most once there be a scaffold, I consider a scaffold.
Yeah,
because if my mom can pay my school fees, and then me so make my them house there. Almost most students are not MP school there, but at times too we don't have the push. So you just have to keep it that way.
It's a free education about encourage which me.
Uku school cry Moscow. At the end of the day, you be Moscow. Minimum for my universities in Ghana and so still now. Obi be ko China kwa ko should be 10 years.
Me university na me national service. Me nyajuma of forestry. Omo ye I think 4 or 5 months no me ye this yeah national service and chair yeah national service 1 year tenenti ntimi nyajuma sa ti ye just because we school in change omo ye national service like 2-3 years ago. I'm gonna say so it's a system. I understand.
The system is very bad because you're looking at We bet my China code the Okyeame medicine bear for 3 years. We bet bet 7 getting to 10 years. We are no you know education system is very bad.
Okay, our education system is very bad, and yes, you answer too much. And okrepa spending your be fine X ning your be. Sometimes it helps be a dream, but with the book game gray. Okay, followers, we are still right here with Kipsie rolling. What you say? Or no, see rolling in the about me borrow bush anytime, any day. I didn't know dancehall artists in Munina say Munina lifestyle. I say similar.
You know, at first, dancehall was all about getting a gangster image.
Okay.
First, but, you know,
a gangster image.
Yeah, man. At first, because you know, it was all about beefing. Yeah, man. But now, due to the system, yeah. So maybe dancehall title be could be most people think say be a radio or too harsh and also we say, but just the title. We just have love for the work. You know?
Okay. Inti no odi no street and I say so sema na oyende
all way around versatile.
About street or you dey
maybe
about bush or you dey.
Why do you keep saying the bush things?
Because minya ragaba show we so and on the obi mu can say ono oshiman hotono what I say and I also inspire no man actually because of I don't know maybe more genre of music means there.
No, at all because Ghana no ya bobo sa nyoma de bata wodi hu Ghana for nche da mpesa nyoma.
Okay.
And raga boy no say him aleka boy once no be free by and fe no wasaba Kumasi so be pay management. I what that interview.
Are you not saying say you are hypocrite because you do it now hide?
No, what I do personally doesn't matter anybody. You know? That's my personal life.
Okay. The OYE found is none of your business. What you say? And see, the music na good no, and also support it. Now share, now keep it. So now, no why now in as official team and as a management.
I have a friend who is helping me, Stanza Dagati.
Okay.
You know, he's also a person agent.
Okay.
Yeah, and
agent.
my engineer Freddie Beaton also bought me the 10.
Okay. So do you need a management?
Yes, sir.
To me manage you.
Be able to. I'm one here.
Okay. And see, so her na officially say. Only freestyle, why freestyle be brave, you're feeling into person managing. You can just call him. Remember, so be free. Into member on one number now, friend straight. Into your number and send me.
Okay, 0543 544 846. 0543 544 846.
Okay. Yeah. Into my friend straight now. And send be someone in the Canada money na casa but more then you push it. We are in to promote international be image. We only promote. I say Poleeno Multimedia Sani afatu your hustle. But on ya day I remember how fair we are not even gonna pick your call anymore. See it's your nyumba kumiyene that's it. You from Kumasi, right?
Yeah.
Yes, Kumasi music and grow but it's say the Kumerica Benti. I think it's attention about Holacra. So why are you in Kumasi and then you are doing you can say dancehall? I know say most of them hip hop the hip lifestyle.
Kumasi I say ni obi a boy to say the Accra or Sarkodie money and pay for ni be boy you know you bisa.
I mean say because Flocking Stone or how I know say recently or a music video and I'm Kumasi now or feature the young and coming ones no. Okyeame Kwame
no Flocking Stone or the bit my idea. But Okyeame Kwame the me hu the oya boy we the artist.
Send
oh ni nua mokwaso ntimi boy on the me hu ni so on no kwan ni so we just have to focus on Okyeame Kwame the me hu so a boy artist be on no nua mokwaso ntimi boy.
I'm sure once they mean to me some holding.
Ntimi boy mo ntino. Ne pempanyfo no my majo so boy.
Enti be so just Okyeame Kwame more artists be Ghana.
Me hu be kwa da. Ni nua Flocking Stone mo kwa ni kunta mo kwa me hu de oya omo. So omo de
say no champion on tracks 1 or 2 be.
But you know, I was so ultimate bore omo to the extent say you look at how Sarkodie mo ye tema boy see Stone boy mo ye la roso mo. Ono den ko say timi ye Kumasi force na nke gina. But you know Kumasi for no bi mo no so pe omo de music ma bet nko omo fan subscribe. So I just have to keep
See, what do you expect Okyeame Kwame to be doing? I think it's in Kipsie. Yes,
to be helping the artists underground. Some more
how? On the record label, on frame, on your feature, on feature munina, and on your thing.
Or business in much into on him how to control things and handle things.
Okay.
Until if only say he is willing to help us and Kwandia, he know how to do things. He's a big man himself. We can't show him what to do though.
It's more try say on say BBC no all they back now become. But what try say all rich and say bia, bra him say young for ya bow but ya brains ya strive but fact.
Oh, Sarkodie BB one. Or to offer them upcoming no. And we him. So to offer them a big him.
Do you trust
friend in the picket. Oh.
Do you trust some? When him send a chia. Sometimes you need to get people on their toes. You understand?
There are some certain things you might wish say nipa nimbo, but what the man say look share flocking stone crowd or there no. Na ye or family point nimbo so we just begging for management now, not someone who is not willing to help, you know.
Until now, crowd, as you are saying, there more background.
If only he is willing, but me who so he will never do it. So, from
bra, Okyeame Kwame. Yes, Okyeame only myself because na wasuma me musician. I don't know. I'm not a musician or kase omwa obia or Ghana has it, and ya until you pese obuanko for. And if you are watching this video now, I don't know how you're going to do it. I don't know how you're going to start it. I don't know. It's none of your business. It's none of your business. But I know they do feeling or canon. Hi, Poleeno Multimedia. I'm strong Poleeno. There, obey me subscribe to channel and click a bell notification. Anytime we post any video, you get it straight. Don't forget to verify your YouTube channels. Few of them are verify Ghana, and then we are part of it. Instagram Poleeno_com na a fully. Poleeno_com fully horses. We are still on this. My freestyle back then. We continue.
My mama used to say, okay, I did that one. So
I don't know.
Let me do a different one.
Okay.
Boy violate, he never go get delayed. Never wish say me success a good delay. Papi already say so we come here to stay. I was for them want to see me astray. Wagwan my ghetto youth, not for them a pray for we fall. No matter Wagwan. We are go preview, they want to sell we out and then take we to jail. All of them are go dead and buried. What? Nothing can stress me. Holy angels are guide me. So me fly high, you know, like a kite, you know. Just fly.
Yeah, we flying high like a kite. Maybe we saw when near brother on side, you know. And only people on. People now they home so soon costa. We flying. Uti a drukra unya we elevating. Bro. Aside music, aside film scripting now,
yeah.
If these things doesn't work, what will you do?
I will kill myself, you know. Music have to pay. It owns me a lot, you know. So definitely it will pay.
So if music doesn't make you successful, you kill yourself?
Not in that way, but music will definitely pay. No matter what I go on, you know. I won't give myself up. Just have to, you know. Until I'm because I'm a blended style, you know, so dance on now for be Afrobeat before. I have some singles.
Okay, into where nina.
Be a versatile.
Okay.
I'm planning of even releasing my EPs, album, you know. Without management, you can't push them.
Okay.
So, nina or my engineer now, he's willing to
for
help
the
me.
beat.
Yes, for the beat. Enough respect to him, you know. And Prince Tegon, so Prince of Ghosts.
Okay.
Yeah, man. And also, he's been helping me a lot. Yeah, man. Linking me to some 1 or 2 people.
Okay. And see, meaning saying be here outside Ghana, mo wuska, mo person mo invest in Ghana. I mean, investing in artists, you know, one of the big job opportunities you can ever get, because obloa 1 show, 2 shows, grab it okay. So as I say, and see, be a what piska baby a 25,000 pounds with a baby or pay business with a baby Ghana. I mean, which me a link it up now, what be invested. Man features be 1 or 2 and 1 and then you are good to go. Ube did no so sign contract 5 years now to now we did what I say. We are upon them their mom a free job up what I say. Yeah. Do you like to feature Shatawale and as a Stone Boy? I mean 2 of them if they come say beer, your person, you know, who are you going to choose first?
I don't want to be selective, you know. Omumu be a major because you know they are taking Ghana very high, and looking at how they do their music, you know, everybody watch them. You know, so only you get that attention, you know, to show people your talent.
Okay, I understand your point, but if you be a scale of preference, sometimes you need to choose something over something.
Yeah.
And see, this question is like abba. Me no nyina no yes choose back up. Why na we choose no?
Me no aba. I would prefer. I don't know, because all of them me no nyina no they are doing very well, you know. And me ka say me reason tia me dey be call omumbi aba ko because
it's the first reason. Okay, we are on you now per se hit no.
Yes, sir.
Why na be fan to so?
Some person me hit me now because of attention. I'll go in for Shetawali.
Okay, that's
but
it.
Me say how to, you know, stage performance, reggae summer fest. If you want to reach that place, you know, then I'll go in for Stonebwoy. So, but me, I don't compare those two talents, you know.
Because you don't want any of the fans to come and attack you.
No,
like they did to Raga Boy.
Raga Boy is a little boy, as I said, you know. When it comes to the music thing, just that or lyrics, no. But you know how to, you know, do some commercial music and do on cajon, you know. Lyrically, me kill him.
But no, say locally or better than you, Stonebwoy.
Only the can because you know where Stonebwoy is, you want to be there. So how can you be say you lyrically you a good singer?
Okay. Same way there, me mean to me Kebi a battle no Framan on Raga Boy GH. But say Raga Boy versus one also so no see Raga Boy na asem. Ye ni adwane. Ehin no be hwe obi ho.
And on all social media platforms, such a Kipsie on Rolling, both YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, where I'm all.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Kipsie on Rolling.
Yes, sir.
Spell them for.
Kipsie. No, on Rolling here. UNRULY.
Okay. Yeah. Both on IG, Facebook,
everywhere,
YouTube, everywhere.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See now, my follow no. Personal number I know now the mine.
Yes, sir.
Hope I repeat mine.
0543 544 846.
Okay.
Yeah.
Say repeat it.
0543 544 846.
Okay. Mediani Armstrong Poleeno ade obeti me follow you. Poleeno_com or Instagram. Now wa follow YouTube here so. Poleeno Multimedia now wa clicking on bell notifications and anytime we post any video you get it straight. And share me the menu member, me feature. Bye bye.
Yo viewers, this is your girl AC_Gagai1. Keep watching Poleeno Multimedia. So open entertainment papa etie. Now open movie papa share. So open area senioma air costo. To say what I say ade na air costo no what I say asha. Poleeno Multimedia. Yes, silly.
Malaika is the name. Keep watching Poleeno Multimedia because oye.